Hello everyone, this will be a very quick video in which I want to show you how to manage Hyper-V snapshots with PowerShell on Windows Server 2012. So I'm on my Hyper-V server again, which you also saw in my last video from this series. And without further ado, let's create a snapshot or a checkpoint for test VM named snap1. It's already created, and if I click on test VM1, you see that snap1 is right here. It shows when it has been created. I can also get a list of snapshots for a VM with the get VM snapshot command. Let's create a second snapshot with name snap2. And of course we use this command to get a list of snapshots. And notice that in parent snapshot name, snap2 has snap1 listed. This is how it would look like in the GUI. So we have snap1 and snap2 is dependent on it, and then we have our current position. So then let's consider that we want to restore the machine to the state it was in snap1. Let's restore it. It was very quick since the machine is off. Now the tree has changed a little because we are at snap1, under it actually. Snap2 now is for all intents and purposes irrelevant, so we delete it. And we are back now with snap1 as the only snapshot for our VM. If you liked the video, I would appreciate a like and a share. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video.